My name is Mr. Madu, Cyprian Madu. I welcome you all to our history class for today. And our topic is the Kanem Borno Empire. In our last lesson, we talked about the first Kanuri Empire. Now, in this video, we shall be talking about the Kanem Borno Empire, which is the second Kanuri Empire. We have some objectives here. Number one, we shall look at the foundation of the Kanem Borno Empire, and then we shall consider the dynasty of the empire, and finally we shall look at the factors that made this empire to rise. These same factors also made the dynasty to last for a very long time. Now, the foundation. This empire was founded by a man called Mai Adigaji. Mai, it means king in Kanuri language. So initially they were in Kanem, in Chad Republic, but they were defeated in the 13th century by a tribe called the Bulala. So they left Chad Republic, came down to Nigeria, a place they called Borno, and founded a new empire. They went back to Chad and then recaptured their lost capital, which is Kanem. That is why we now have what's called the Kanem Borno Empire, which means it has two capitals, one in Chad, which is Kanem, and the other in Borno, which is Nigeria. So we have the Kanem Borno Empire. Now, the dynasty that ruled this empire is called the Cyprian dynasty, by the man who founded the first Kanuri Empire. His name was Seif bin Diazan. So his children and descendants ruled the Kanuri Empire for a very long time. So now have what is called the Cyprian dynasty. Now, the factors that make this empire to rise. One, they have strong and efficient leaders like Mai and Gaji, who fought wars, conquered the enemies, went to Chad and regained their lost capital, and then brought the kingdom together as one. Then another powerful king is Mai Idris Aloma, who was the greatest king in the Kanuri kingdom. He went to Mecca, learned so much. With his knowledge, he made his kingdom to develop into a very powerful empire. He brought the use of firearms, that is gun, in battle, and he restored peace and conquered his enemy, and then expanded the territory of the Kanem Borno Empire. Another factor again is military organization. They have effective army. They fought wars and they were invincible in battle. This military have four major commanders. Each commander stood at the four corners of this empire for protection. So invaders could not attack the Kanem Borno Empire. In fact, during the reign of Aloma Idris, the kingdom experienced a long period of peace because of his tactics in military governance. Another factor again is marriage. The Kanem Borno kings, after conquering their enemies and their neighbors, they will marry from these tribes. This marriage now bring the blood together. Thus, marriage brought unity within the empire, because these people and the tribes don't want to fight the kingdom, since their children are married to this kingdom. So they use marriage to bring the bloodline together, and this brought about a long period and reign of peace. Now, look at the picture of the greatest king of the Kanuri kingdom, which is Idris Aloma, and thereafter do your assignment. God bless you.